Hello viewers,
Today's topic is quadratic equation, some important properties. Important properties of a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we'll discuss now. And if you know this, you can enrich your concept and you can solve very good examples, critical examples. So this topic is very important for you. Here, first property is a root. A root of a quadratic equation is a number. It may be a real or a complex number, and it will satisfy the equation so that you can write a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0. A quadratic equation is of degree 2. So it has two roots. A real or maybe imaginary. Which are the two roots? The roots will get by the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a.
this is called quadratic formula.
Or we can solve the equation x square plus c is equals to 0. If we factorize, we get two factors. From these two result, we'll get x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta as two roots. In the quadratic formula, we obtain x is equals to minus b plus minus root over d and by 2a. This d is called discriminant, that we know. If d is positive and d is a perfect square, then roots are real distinct and rational. Rational number. If d is positive and d is not a perfect square, then roots are real, distinct, but irrational. So they may be in the form x is equals to a plus minus
Root b. If d is 0,
then roots are real and equal. And in that case, the value of x, which is equals to alpha and is equals to beta and is equals to minus b by 2a.
and if d is negative,
Now they are distinct complex number with non-zero imaginary part.
And there may be in the form
X is equals to alpha or beta, is P plus minus I Q. Now, fourth property, if P plus IQ, where P and Q are real numbers, is a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then other root must be
P minus I cube.
These are two roots which are called conjugate, and if P plus root Q, where P and Q are real numbers, is a root of quadratic equation this is equals to 0, then other root must be P minus I Q. Here also it is a conjugate. So P plus root Q, the conjugate is P minus root Q.
And if
P plus IQ, then P minus IQ will be the other root. And if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is satisfied by more than 3 numbers, real or complex, then it becomes an identity. It's not an equation. In that case, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 0. And if alpha and beta are two roots of a quadratic equation, we get the equation by using the relation x square minus alpha plus beta, which is equals to sum of zeros or sum of roots into x
plus
alpha into beta, which is the product of zeros or roots of the equation. So, if we know the roots alpha and beta, we can make the equation in the form x square minus
alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha plus beta equals to 0. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.